How to deactivate Tinder account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to deactivate Tinder account. So then to deactivate your Tinder account, it's very simple. All you have to do is log in from a web browser. Make sure that you're not using an application. So once you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in tinder.com and log in into your account, entering your credential. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page and the interface will look something like this. If you're using a mobile device, either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So all you have to do is just keep track of the instructions. So once you're logged into your Tinder account, it's going to take you to the official homepage, and here go ahead and tap the profile icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. This is going to take you to the profile info page. Here go ahead and tap on edit info, located right in center. After that, on the left hand side menu, scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you'll be able to find an option as delete account. So basically you will be able to see two different options as soon as you click on it. So you can go ahead and tap on to deactivate or disable your Tinder account. So click on hide my account. For none of the user will be able to see your profile on Tinder. So in this way you can deactivate your Tinder account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.